Okay, tutorial 6 is going to be kerning and leading. So this is leading. I'm going to write something over a number of lines, and I'm going to duplicate it a couple times by holding Alt. I'm going to write a second sentence here, and this is kerning. And I'm going to duplicate it 3 times as well. Okay, to zoom in up on the leading line. Okay, so with this one selected, I'm going to go into my different options for characters. So if I go to character, type, character, under my window tab, I'm just going to move this out of the way. And what we're going to be dealing with is the leading. And if you look at leading, if I hover over, this is setting the leading. So this is typical leading, a single space, if you will. And what you can see is that there's other options. So we're going to leave this one as normal. This one, what we're going to do is we're going to increase it. And you're going to see that that looks more like a double space or even a triple space. But what you can also do is you can also make it tighter. So if the default was 14, if I set it to something less, with one selected, if I set it to something less than 14, they're going to get tighter and tighter and tighter until your ascenders and descenders are actually going to start to basically overlap. You are going to have trouble with legibility at that point, but it is definitely an interesting look. And then for kerning, very similarly, we're going to leave the first one at normal. And then here's kerning, and kerning is found here. And what we're going to do, kerning is actually here. And I'm going to increase this one. So there's 100. You can see lots of extra space in between the letters. And then the opposite would be to tighten up the spacing between the letters. Again, you need to be careful about legibility as we start to have almost an overlapping effect. So kerning and leading found in Illustrator.